Hi friends, today I am going to say you some important information about Area 51. Area 51 is the common name of a highly classified United States in Air Force, that means USAF faculty located within the Nevada Test and Training Range. The faculty is officially called Home Airport KXDA or Groom Lake, named after the salt flat situated next to its airfield. Details of the faculty's operations are not publicly known, but the USAF says that is an open training range and it most likely supports the development and testing of experimental active aircraft and weapons systems. The USAF acquired the site in 1955 primarily for flight testing the Lockheed U-2 aircraft. The intense secrecy surrounding the base has made it the frequent subject of conspiracy theories and a central component of undefined flying objects UFO folklore. The base has never been declared a secret base, but all research and occurrences in Area 51 are top secret sensitive compartment information TSSI. The CIA publicly acknowledged the existence of the base of the first time on June 25th, 2013, following a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) request filed in 2005. They declassified documents detailing the history and purpose of area. Area 51 is located in the southern portion of Nevada in the western states of United States. 83 millions, that means 134 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas. The surrounding area is a popular tourist destination, including the small town of Rachel on the extraterrestrial highway. Note this point, friends, extraterrestrial highway. Friends, now we'll discuss about the geography of Area 51. Area 51 viewed by distant Tikaboo Peak. The original rectangular base of 6 by 10 miles, 9.7 by 16.1 kilometers, is now part of the second so-called Groom Box, a rectangular area measuring 23 by 25 miles, 37 by 40 kilometers of restricted airspace. The area is connected to the Internal Nevada Test Site, that is NTS road network, with paved roads leading south to Mercury and west to Yucca Flat. Leading northeast from the lake, the wide and well maintained Groom Lake Road runs through a pass in the jumbled hills. The road formerly led to mines in the Groom Basin but has been improved since their closures. Its winding course runs past a security checkpoint, but the restricted area around the base extends further east. After leaving the restricted area, Groom Lake Road descends eastward to the floor of the Ticabo Valley. Passing the Deet Road extends to several small ranches before converging with State Route number 375, as the said before, extraterrestrial highway south of Ranchel. Area 51 shares a border with the Yucca Flat region of the Nevada test site. The location of the 739 of the 928 nuclear tests conducted by the United States Department of Energy at NTS. The Yucca Mountain Nuclear Waste Repository is 44 miles, that means 71 kilometers southeast of Groom Lake. Friends, history of this Area 51 we'll discuss in French now. Nevada Test Range topographic chart centered on Groom Lake. The origin of the name Area 51 is unclear. It is believed to be from an atomic energy commission AEC French numbering grid. Although area 51 is not part of this system, it is adjacent to area 15. Another explanation is that 51 was used because it was unlikely that the AEC would use the number. According to the Central Intelligence Agency CIA, the correct names for the faculty are Homey Airport. As I said before, French, you got it? Yeah. KXTA and Groom Lake. Though the name Area 51 was used in a CIA document from the Vitamin War, the faculty has also been referred to as Dreamland and Paradise Range. Among other nicknames, the USAF Public Relations has referred to the faculty as an operating location near Groom Dry Lake. The special use airspace around the field is referred to the restricted area 4808 north. That means R4808N. Friends, this is the information about the Area 51. Subscribe to my channel, friends. If you subscribe to my channel, then you will be getting more videos which I done first startingly. Friends, thank you friends. Bye friends. Subscribe to my channel, friends.